Panda, say I love you. Largo.
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?
Look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, get the...
Dude, need to get some food and like get the cat out of.
Oh my god!
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
And they twisting up a belly. Get silly. Get silly.
Hey! Hey!
Cash Money Records taking over for the 99 in the 2000s.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
Ever told you how beautiful you are?
That is not a cat.
Yes, it is.
Why is it inside out?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
It's the kind of beat to go.
That specialize in rescuing young girls from pimps and prostitution. Many of them are looking for.
He's just not a great group. And so we start taking these quotes out of context.
Duke, stop. Stop. Stop!